Hello students, I am Shyam Thakur. You are welcome to online classes of Shiksha Coaching Sihor. Students, I am getting start 12th biology videos for English medium students from today on your demand. Students, our today's topic is structure of typical flower or flower. But before studying about the flower, let us know what is flower. Students, flower is a very important part of the plant because the development of fruit and seed from it. So it is an important part of the plant. Students, the flower bearing reproductive organ of the plant. So it is called as a reproductive organ of the plant. Structurally, the stalk-like structure which attached to the plant is called pedicle. Generally, the pedicle attached to the flower to the plant, and just above the pedicle a solen structure called thalamus. Students, what is thalamus? So thalamus is a very important part of the flower because all the parts of flower which attach to the thalamus. Generally, a typical flower is made up from 4 whorl or 4 parts: calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. The typical flower contains 4 whorl: calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Students, calyx and corolla are the accessory organ of the flower, and the androecium and gynoecium is a necessary or reproductive organ of the flower. Students, number 1, calyx. The first whorl of flower is called calyx. Calyx is more than 1 in number, so the unit of calyx is called sepal. Calyx is more than 1 in number, so the unit of calyx is called sepal. It is in green color. And it protects flower in bud condition. Students, the sepals are in green color, so it also take part in the process of photosynthesis. There are two functions of sepal or calyx. First, it protect flower in bud condition, and second is it also take part in the process of photosynthesis. Students, the second part is corolla. The second whorl of flower is called as corolla. The second whorl, the first whorl and the second whorl, because it is a colorful leaves. The colorful leaves of flower is called as corolla. Generally, it is more than 1 in number, so the unit of corolla is called as petal. Students, the second whorl of flower is called corolla. Corolla is more than 1 in number, so the unit of corolla is called petal. The petals look like leaves. It is colorful and scented. Which attract to the insect for the process of pollination. Students, the petals are attract to insect. These are attract to insect for the process of pollination. You know very well about the process of pollination. Students, about 70% of total pollination done by insects. So the petals are attract to insect for the process of pollination. The first part function is it protect flower in bud condition, and the petal function is it attract insect for the process of pollination. The third whorl of flower is called androecium. The third whorl of flower is called androecium. It is the male reproductive part of the flower because it is more than 1 in number, so the unit of androecium is called stamen. Students, androecium is a male part of the flower and the unit of androecium is called stamen. Stamen is made up from mainly 2 parts. First anther, and second stalk-like structure is called filament, and the solen or terminal part is called as anther. Students, the anther produces pollen grains. Pollen grains. Pollen grains. Pollen grains are male gametes of the flower. Pollen grains are male gametes of the flower, just like sperm or male gamete of human beings. It is the important part of the flower. It is a male part of the flower, and the unit of androecium is called as stamen. It is made up from two parts. The terminal and solen part is called anther, where production of pollen grains, and the stalk-like structure is called filament. Students, the last and fourth wall is called gynoecium. Gynoecium is the female part of the flower. The fourth and last wall of the flower is called as gynoecium. It is the female part, it is the female reproductive part of the flower. So it is a very important part of the flower. It is made up from three parts: stigma, style, and ovary. Stigma, style, and ovary. Students, the gynoecium is also more than one in number. So the unit of gynoecium is called as pistil or carpel. The carpel is made up from three parts: stigma, style, and ovary. Number one, stigma. The terminal part of pistil is called stigma. It receives pollen grains. During the process of pollination. The middle part is called style, and the last solen part is called ovary. Students, ovary is a very important part of the flower because the development of ovary to form fruits, and it contains many ovules. Which are developed to form seeds after the process of fertilization. Students, that's enough for today. We will meet again with new videos. Thank you. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत, भारत माता की